Welcome to Webgility ReCap, a series of videos aimed at getting you started using Webgility. In this video, we'll go over the installation process for Microsoft SQL, the database infrastructure we use for Webgility Desktop. If you haven't already installed the Webgility Desktop application, you can watch our previous video that walks you through the process step by step, or the written tutorial that goes along with it. Microsoft SQL will house all of your Webgility data, and the installation process should be automated, but if you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team or your implementation specialist. To begin, you'll want to log into your Webgility desktop application, and this should automatically prompt a search for an existing SQL connection. If you've already set up Webgility in the past, it should find the existing database, but in this case, we're going to select "This is a new computer," install SQL Server, and create Webgility Database. This should start the download process for Microsoft SQL Server Express directly from Microsoft.com. The download should take a couple minutes depending on your internet connection, but after the download completes, you should see a window that starts the setup process for SQL. This may take some additional time, but after SQL is finished installing and setting up, you should be prompted to connect your first sales channel. Congrats, you're ready to get started. In the following video, we'll go over the store connection and accounting connections and how to make sure you're starting off on the right foot with Webgility. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.